Hi all, my name is Erica Plemons and I'm a senior economist with Bright MLS. Inventory in the Mid-Atlantic ended our latest week at 41,432 listings. That's a 27.5% increase from the same week in 2024. With more inventory on the market, contract times have been slower, and the median time to contract in our latest week is 3 days higher than it was last year. You can find the full details of our weekly report on brightmls.com/research. And if you want to get some more data, this Thursday, June 19th at 3:15 p.m. is our monthly housing market update webinar. Please join me then again Thursday at 3:15 to uncover more housing data trends. I'll see you there.